Hello students, in previous class we have already discussed the midpoint theorem and the convergence of midpoint theorem. If you have not seen the previous class, then please go and watch it. Now we will start question number 1 from worksheet 8.2. Here in question number 1, it is given that ABCD is a quadrilateral. Here ABCD is a quadrilateral. It is given, and PQRS is the midpoint. PQRS are the midpoints of AB, BC, CD and DA, right? And AC is a diagonal. AC is a diagonal. This is given in a question. Now we have to show question number 1. SR is parallel AC and SR is equal to half of AC. Question number 2, PQ is equal to SR, and question number 3, PQ is equal to PQRS is a parallelogram. Okay, at first question, in first question, at first in triangle ADC, look carefully, in triangle ADC, in ADC, that means this triangle, ये वाला triangle, इसमें क्या है, S is the midpoint of AD. S is the midpoint of AD. It is given that S is the midpoint of AD, and R is the midpoint of DC. R is the midpoint of DC. It is clear? Now, by midpoint theorem, we can prove SR is parallel to AC. SR is parallel to AC, and SR is equal to half of AC. Half of this one, SR is half of AC. This we can prove by only midpoint theorem. Hence, proved. In question number 2, it is given that in triangle ABC, P is the midpoint of AB. Here it is, P is the midpoint of AB, and Q is the midpoint of PC. Then by according same as above, according to midpoint theorem, PQ is parallel to AC and PQ is half of AC. This one also we can prove by midpoint theorem. Now in question number 1, it will take I will take it as equation 1, and in question number 2 I will take it as equation 2. By equating 1 and 2, by equating equation 1 and 2, we will get directly SR parallel AC parallel PQ. This is the symbol of parallel PQ, and SR is equal to PQ is equal to half of AC. From this we can write directly SR is equal to PQ. How I am getting this? As because AC is common in both the equation. AC is common in both the equation. That is why I have taken AC as a common here, and then SR is equal to PQ. Similarly, SR is equal to PQ. SR parallel PQ, and similarly SR is equal to PQ. Proved. Okay. It itself only wants to prove, then it is proved. Okay. Now PQ is equal to SR and PQ is equal to a parallel SR. Proved earlier from equation 2. proved earlier from question number 2. From question number 2 I have proved already this one here, this one from here, and now from all the three equation we can prove PQRS is a parallelogram. The final question PQRS is a parallelogram is also proved. Okay, the question is solved. If you have any doubt, then you can comment me here. Okay, thank you.